Today, yes, that's my hubby already. Way up there, way ahead of me. There, that man way up there, that's my hubby. Today we are exploring this here area. I'm going to zoom around and let you see. Okay. They got gorgeous gardens in here. Absolutely gorgeous. I wish I could share the smell of all these beautiful flowers too. They got a nice sitting area along here also. There's my honey. There's my honey. There's my honey. Hey, honey. Oh, check out this gorgeous purple tree. Absolutely gorgeous.
Smell though.
It doesn't have a smell?
It is.
It's a gorgeous park.
I see.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all. So beautiful. Love these trees, whatever these trees are called. If anybody knows in the comments below, please let me know. Love these trees. They're gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Check that out. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful. This is a cool pine tree too. Ooh, sorry, morning dove. Do you have a nest up there? Did I scare you? Did I scare you as much as you scared me? Such a beautiful, beautiful park. So gorgeous. These yellow ones are interesting too, this yellow bush. Very interesting. Huh. Anybody know what this is called? So gorgeous. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that. We are going to get on with our day, but we hope you all enjoyed that little tour. My hubby's over there chillaxing. I'm about to go join him. It's time to chillax, you know. Sometimes you just gotta relax and enjoy and not record. Other times you gotta record it all. Doing the last few different shots here. So enjoy. Have a great and blessed one, everyone. Gonna let the flowers say goodbye to y'all.